Hello and welcome to Ucara Basics. With this section, I would like to discuss step construction. And one of the nice things that I really see with Ucara is an advanced stair system. Stairs, when it comes to every hardscape installation, is a common feature both in the front entry as well as into the backyard patio area. Oftentimes you're going to see elevation changes in that backyard from a finished floor or entry into the door in the back to finished grade. It's about 12 inches, sometimes more, sometimes a little less. But again, the demand for stair construction, proper stair construction, because if you build steps, unfortunately, it's probably one of the bigger problems that a homeowner will address in a service call and a complaint is that the material, the copies have come loose. So to identify to that, old construction methodology would be setting a single course of block, mallet setting that down, and then laying across coping units. Now, if we had any settlement of one singular component here, that would rotate that block off and then therefore warrant that service call. So one way that alleviates that Ucara offers is its base plate. So if I'll step away here, you're going to notice that I've got this base plate laid out. Now, what makes stairs and steps a little bit different? Oftentimes we're going to have pitch. So here we've got, we highly recommend, in fact, the use of clear gravels and bases on the material. Again, a step and a stoop are going to require pitch. Retaining walls, seat walls, other vertical features are going to be more true horizontal plane, complete level. So here with stair construction, with clear bases, you're going to see the rails behind me that I can adjust to properly address that pitch necessary for that runoff. So if we've got a starting point, where do we begin? Well, you're going to begin obviously with your base plate, but you're going to need to know a couple of variables, your rise and your run when it comes to stair construction. So Unilock offers a great variety of different sizes of copings. Here in natural stone, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter Ledgestone full nose, and then here our 7 centimeter product. So where we start and where we finish depends on the thickness of that coping. The constant is going to be the 6-inch elevation that you'll see in each individual course of Ucara block, all right? But where we begin depends on that variable. The other variable is going to be the width of that tread. A lot of 12-inch copings available. You're going to see the marketplace in a little bit more demand for 14-inch, so a little bit wider coping, which you'll see here with this architectural coping in front of this step, all right? So some of those are the variables that you're going to want to address and have knowledge as you would start with your first base plate. When it comes to stair construction, there's two ways to look at this. Inset staircase, you'll often hear that terminology, and that's in relationship to a wall on its side, and this staircase would continue up into that wall. Now, one nice thing about Ucara is that I love the fact that this backer for my next course ties into this wall. All right, so you're going to want to build any kind of retaining wall, all right, in conjunction with your stairs between it. So again, this is a great way to lock that in. My base plates would be leveled off here to support that second step. Also notice, obviously, we've got 12-inch block here. The standard 6-inch, I wouldn't recommend for stair construction. We definitely want to use the 12-inch corner blocks here, specifically in relationship to the outside corner. So this is part of the 90-degree corner system here on an outside corner, using our left and rights to be able to achieve the stair installation on that. Also notice that all grooves on the top, all lugs have been removed so that we have a clean surface mount to adhere that coping onto it. So some great characteristics of Ucara in order to build stairs. Really happy with what I've seen as far as structure and long-term performance that are available to you with Ucara. Thank you.